In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a school project, a business proposal, or a personal document, knowing how to effectively align your text can greatly enhance the readability and overall appearance of your work. Let's dive into the process step by step to make your document look neat and professional. First, you'll want to select the text you plan to align. If you're focusing on a particular paragraph or section, simply click and drag over that specific text. However, if you're looking to adjust the alignment for your entire document, there's a handy shortcut. On a Windows computer, you can press Ctrl+A, or if you're using a Mac, hit CMD+A. This action will highlight everything within your document, making it ready for alignment adjustments. Next, you'll need to navigate to the top toolbar of your Google Doc. Here, you'll find a series of alignment icons that are your go-to tools for adjusting text placement. Starting from the left, these icons allow you to make key alignment choices. The first icon is the Align Left option. This aligns your text to the left margin, which is, in fact, the default setting in Google Docs. It's a popular choice for most body text as it maintains a clean line along the left side of the page. Moving over one spot, the Center Align icon comes into play. This option is perfect when you want to center your text horizontally between the left and right margins. It's a great choice for titles, headings, or any text that you want to stand out prominently on the page. Everyone loves centered title headings for that polished finishing touch. The third icon is the Align Right option. Choosing this will shift your selected text to the right margin. This style is less common for body text but can be very effective for creating unique layouts or for stylistic emphasis in certain sections of your document. Lastly, we have the Justify option, which is all about achieving that professional magazine or newspaper look. Selecting Justify will distribute your text evenly between both the left and right margins, creating a straight, clean edge on both sides of the text block. This alignment provides a balanced and formal appearance, making it particularly useful for essays, reports, and articles where presentation matters as much as content. In conclusion, understanding how to align text in Google Docs empowers you to customize the presentation of your document effectively. Each alignment option serves a distinct purpose and can help your text stand out or blend in, depending on your needs. Experiment with the different alignments to find the one that works best for your document, and remember, aligning text is an essential step in crafting professional-looking documents every time. Enjoy aligning with confidence.